Full name is Ellis, E-L-L-I-S, last name Willis, W-I-L-L-I-S. And I live in Dayton, Ohio. I am a retired city employee and a retired adjunct professor at a local college. And my career field was in law enforcement. My wife and I are now both retired in the workforce, but we are very active with our family, and we have some young grandsons growing up. Part of the reasoning for doing solar was to try to give them a better world to grow up in by reducing our carbon footprint. The other motivation would be because I thought the return on investment here would be significant. Simply, the day I turn my solar switch on, I turn my power bills off. My bills are zero, and typically there's a small credit at the end of each month. The thing that kind of pushed me towards third son was woman-owned. I have daughters. Number two, you were local, and you had a track record. 20 years or more now, I believe. Whenever I did have a question, I got clear answers. And sometimes you told me things that maybe from a salesman's point of view, it was more to my advantage and not to you to sell me a product I didn't need. It was the honesty about it and the education bit. I've had a lot of my friends have made inquiries to me about how this is working. And they had the same questions I had. Are you off the grid? No, but I'm not paying and offsetting that carbon footprint. And it's worked out phenomenal.